What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Computer Troubles. I'm recording this video on Linux, so there are problems with my camera. At least in the preview here, it doesn't look like it is as smooth as it should be. It looks like it's more like 20 frames per second instead of 30. So hopefully it actually syncs up with the audio properly and everything works just fine. But so let's just get on with the video. So this video, if you're not aware of Computer Troubles, it's the series where I talk about things that have gone wrong with my computer or parts of my computer, how I have fixed them, or how I still don't know what the heck was going on. And in this video, it's another one that has to do with a hard drive. So it is specifically a Western Digital green hard drive from 2008, so pretty old. That might be why it messed up, but this is a very interesting way of messing up from what I have seen. So this started when I formatted it, when I was dual booting Linux and Windows. I decided that I wanted, this drive was originally, when I was dual booting, used as the drive for both operating systems to much more easily transfer files between the two operating systems. Now, that wasn't as easy as I thought it would be, but I ended up getting it set up so it was much easier than it was at first. And that brings me to a while afterwards when I decided I wanted some more space for games on Linux because I was running out of some space, and I didn't really need to transfer files between Linux and Windows. So I just decided, you know what, I'll just make this drive so it's Linux compatible. And I think I started it on Windows. I started to reformat the drive on Windows. Originally, this drive was formatted on Linux as FAT32. So I reformatted it on, Windows as ext4, extended 4. I reformatted it as extended 4, and it didn't work. It said something about permissions. I did not have the permissions to reformat the drive. So I moved over to Linux thinking that would reformat it properly. It usually does. If Windows has a problem with reformatting something, Linux usually works properly. But it did not. Yeah, that was pretty odd. It said the same thing, permissions not found, or the formatter would just crash while formatting the drive. So this is all just pretty odd, and it still just doesn't work. And because I had started to reformat it, the drive shows up as a not formatted drive. So on Linux, I was able to delete the previous partition. I was not able to reformat the drive, though, which I thought was really odd. I looked stuff up about it, couldn't find anything about drives just not allowing someone to reformat it if they wanted to. So pretty interesting. I still don't know what's going on. The drive still does not work, so I just have it sitting in my room collecting dust. I might do a teardown video of it, not sure. I've done a teardown of a hard drive before. They tend to have hidden screws in random places, so I don't know if I'll do a video on it or not. I might. But yeah, it still doesn't work. This was a pretty short video, but I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you all in the next video.